I press towards the goal to win the prize, for which God has called me heavenward in Christ Jesus. Philippians 3:14. Be blessed.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
This is
Exclusive.
Go.
Hey, beautiful friends. Welcome back. If you are new, my name is Afi Elizabeth, and today we're going to be doing my hair. And we're going to be using these products right here. And before we get started, I just want to let you guys know the vibe is different because my camera was overexposed, so I had to get it together by while editing. And yes, sis, we use tights as a hair tie replacement. They're not gonna know. You didn't even know until I showed y'all. But yeah, first and foremost, welcome if you are new. If I haven't welcomed you, welcome. When I do my slick back ponytails, I like to use no heat. I never understood why people use heat when they're doing their ponytail, but I mean, to each his own. There is an explanation why. I guess you want to get as slick as possible, but I don't. But the first thing I like to do is I spray my hair with water just to detangle, and then I go in with my Cantoon leave-in conditioner and I apply that to my hair. And I do it by section just because the thicker the hair, the easier it is when it comes to, if your hair is thick, doing it by sections is a lot easier if you want that slicker vibe. So yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And when it comes to slicking my hair, stretching it out is the smartest thing you can do without heat. So this is how I stretch out my hair without heat. I give it a day after washing it, and then I come in and I detangle it the day after. For my gel, normally I like to use a Got2b gel, but I didn't have it. So I went in with my Edge Booster, which is another replacement for a Got2b gel. This gel is okay, but sometimes it gets on my nerves. But we still get the job done with it. So for my brush, I normally like to use a brush with a harder bristle. I think that's what it's called. And then I go in with my Got2b gel spray. Not Gorilla spray. I said Got2b gel spray, the one used for your hair. And then I add it on top of my gel. And then I use a rat tail just so I can give it that slicker, just to comb the ones that are, a little bit on the bumpier side. So I use a comb to do that. And then I use my hard bristle. Is that what you call it? My hard brush to slick everything down. I like my brushes to be very hard. And now for my ponytail, I'm going to be using the Fake Hair hair tie. This tie is made out of 100% silk, and it's really good for your hair. When I tell you guys, this hair tie is so good, you will not regret it if you purchase it. I made a whole review on the Fake Hair product and everything that they sent me. I'll leave the link down below describing each product that they sent me. So if you're interested, make sure you click that link down below. So yeah, and you also have a discount code. So sis, I got you. So yeah, with the hair tie, what I did was each section I slick up. I put it into a tie battle and like tie it up. So so we slicked our hair up by section to avoid the bumpy effect. If you know the bumpy effects, you're a real natural girl. Let me not. So yeah, basically I section my hair, and I grabbed it by each section, and then I put in a ponytail. That's basically what I was trying to say. Why am I dragging it? I don't know, maybe it's because the hairstyle was cute. You know what? Anywho, yeah, so I applied my gel like 4 times just because this gel is not the gel that you only apply once. It's not like a Got2b gel where you have to apply 2 to 3 times. This one was a consistency vibe. Okay, I had to apply it like 4 times. And then I go in with my Frizz Spitz. Yes, I went in with my Spitz just so I can, actually hold it all together. And with my Spitz, after I apply my Spitz, I normally go back in and I spray my Got2b gel on top of it. but this time around I didn't. So I just go ahead with my head wrap. And when I tell you guys, this one works a lot better than the actual bandana or hair wrap. This is amazing. Okay, so if you're trying to really slick your hair back, I highly recommend you guys to use this. And if you have a hair dryer, you could definitely sit underneath a hair dryer so it can actually lay really well if you have time. Sis didn't have time, okay? But for my hair, I'm going to be using the jumbo braids as my ponytail. So what I did here was, so I can prevent the whole puffy effect, I decided to braid my hair into sections. And this is actually going to prevent the whole, puffy effect at the end, because we want it to be like a nice little slick down vibe, So yeah, so this is what I did. After I put the braids in, I used about 3 hair. Yeah, I used about 3 hair because it came in 3 in one pack. So I used the entire pack. And then I went ahead and I circled the entire hair around. We circled it around we go. Around and around we go. And then from there, I started to use a spritz as a way to just calm everything down, take away the flyaway. And yeah, if you have human hair, this hairstyle will be a lot more easier. But because it's synthetic, it was a hustle. It was a struggle because of the tangle process. Yes, hopefully I'm making sense. After that, I decided to take the hair and I twisted the hair around, and that's how I got the twisting effect. So as I'm going, I'm just grabbing little pieces by pieces and I'm twisting the hair. You guys are not seeing that, but I was actually grabbing the small pieces on the hair so I can actually keep the hair attached. You see that? So yeah, so that's what I did. I went all the way at the bottom, and once I got to the bottom, I sprayed it with spritz, and then I grabbed the bottom section and I just connected it together by braiding it. So that's what I did here. The birds are chirping. There's an animal in trouble. But yeah, so my next step was I took the excess hair and I took that, and just because I was seeing my natural hair pop up, I wanted to cover that section up with that twist right here. And I took it and I just twisted it around just to cover the braiding part of my hair because my natural hair was showing. And then I took that and I decided to just add more twist through the hair. Add more twist to the hair. So at the end, I decided to use this edge control. This is the Edge Fixer Extra Maximum Hold Edge Control. I love this edge control. It's so good. If you haven't used it, definitely go ahead and give it a try. It's in the beauty supply store. It was a collaboration with Sweetie, and it's by far the best edge control I've ever used. It holds your edges all day, and yeah, so just give it a try. So just to get rid of the flyaway that was starting to pop up, and it wasn't going to pull up. What? Sis, I took this hair and I used Got To Be Gel spray, and just to get rid of the flyaway and make sure that it sticks really well, nicely, well-mannered. I twisted it around my hair, and then I took a bobby pin and I just pinned that in. And this is how the hair looked. If you guys like this tutorial, sis was struggling trying to explain this. My grammar was all over the place. Horrible grammar, perfect grammar. We struggle, okay? If you guys like this tutorial, let me know down below. If you are new, I hope you stay for a long time. Love me long time. Subscribe and just give me some positive vibes in my comment, you know. So yeah, this is all I did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.